Today we're working on Excel Lesson 7 Apply. You should have it open up. Go ahead and save it to your OneDrive with your initials. Step 3, we're going to insert a header. Name at the left. Date code in the center and page number in the right. Go back to normal view. Step 4, click cell D12. So D12 is right here. We're going to use the sum function to sum the values in the cells above. So click on formulas and let's click auto sum. And you can see that it's wanting to sum these right here from D8 to D11, and so just click enter. If you go back to that cell, you can see that that is what it is. Click on each one of these to see their formulas up here. Step 5 says drag the fill handle from D12 through G12 to fill in that formula. So I'm just going to click right here, drag it over to G12. You can see that each of those has a formula in it now. Click cell G8 and double click the fill handle to fill the entry down to the column. So if you can remember before, we would drag the handle down like that and it would automatically fill. But there's another way. I'm going to double click the little bitty square right here and you can see that it does the same thing. Magic. Step 7, click cell B14. So B14. We're going to drag the handle through F14. When you release the mouse button, you should see the error message. And so you see each of these have an error message in them. That's because Excel changed the reference in cell G12 and you don't want it to do that. So you can see right here that when you look at this formula, it's B12 divided by G12. This one is C12 divided by H12. We don't want that. So it says step 8, edit each of the formulas to change the divisor to G12 because we're wanting everything divided by this. So right up here I'm going to change this H to a G. Go to this cell, change the I to a G. Go to this cell, change the J to a G. Go to this cell, change the K to a G. Step 9 says select the range B14 to F14. So I'm going to select from B14 to F14. And then it says to look at the status bar next to the view button. The sum displayed there should be 100%. So down here, the white little bar down here is the status bar, and you can see right here where the sum is 100%. What it's doing, it's adding up all these numbers, and they should equal 100%. That shows you that it's done correctly. So, step 10 says, with your teacher's permission, to print the worksheet, which we're not going to do. So save and close the file and exit Excel, and that completes lesson number 7.